Welcome back to Reset, Relearn, Reprogram. This week we're talking about networking and how to build professional relationships in the automotive industry. In the ever-evolving automotive industry, building professional relationships and networking are essential for automotive repair technicians to thrive and stay ahead of the curve. Connecting with industry peers, suppliers, manufacturers, and other professionals not only opens doors to new opportunities, but also fosters knowledge sharing and personal growth. In today's video, we will explore the power of networking and provide tips for automotive repair technicians to build strong professional relationships in the automotive industry. Attend industry events and conferences. Make it a priority to attend industry events, conferences, and trade shows. These gatherings provide valuable opportunities to meet professionals from various sectors of the automotive industry. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and actively participate in workshops or panel discussions. Networking events often offer platforms for exchanging ideas, sharing experiences, and making meaningful connections. Join professional associations and groups. Become a member of relevant professional associations and groups within the automotive industry. These organizations offer networking events, educational resources, and platforms for collaboration. Engaging with like-minded individuals allows you to build relationships, share knowledge, and stay updated on industry trends. Active participation in these associations also demonstrates your commitment to professional growth. Use online networking platforms. Take advantage of online networking platforms to expand your professional connections. LinkedIn, for example, offers a vast network of automotive professionals. Join automotive-focused groups and actively contribute to discussions. Share your expertise, ask for advice, and connect with individuals who share similar interests. Online networking platforms provide accessibility and convenience, enabling you to connect with professionals worldwide. Collaborate with colleagues. Forge strong relationships with your colleagues within the repair shop. Collaborating on projects, sharing knowledge, and supporting one another creates a positive and productive work environment. Take the initiative to learn from experienced technicians and offer assistance to others when needed. A strong internal network can enhance your professional development and contribute to the success of the repair shop as a whole. Foster relationships with suppliers and manufacturers. Establish relationships with suppliers and manufacturers of automotive parts, equipment, and tools. Develop a rapport with the representatives from these companies, attend product demonstrations, and keep updated on new technologies. Strong connections with suppliers can lead to valuable insights, preferential access to resources, and potential career opportunities. Engage in continuing learning and training. Participate in continuing education and training programs offered by manufacturers or industry organizations. These programs not only enhance your technical skills, but also provide networking opportunities. Engage with instructors, ask questions, and connect with fellow participants. Networking with professionals in a learning environment can lead to long-term relationships and collaborations. Volunteer and give back. Engage in volunteer work or community events related to the automotive industry. Volunteering not only allows you to contribute to your community, but also provides opportunities to meet individuals from various backgrounds who share a common interest in automobiles. By giving back, you demonstrate your dedication and commitment to the industry, which can help build credibility and strengthen your network. Networking is a powerful tool for automotive repair technicians to build professional relationships, gain industry insights, and open doors to new opportunities. By utilizing the tips and strategies presented in this video, you can create a robust network within the automotive industry. Cultivating these relationships contributes to your professional growth, expands your knowledge base, and enhances your overall success as an automotive repair technician. Embrace the power of networking and unlock the potential for career advancement and personal fulfillment in the dynamic world of automotive repair. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.